Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it.
You can use the node after method to insert elements and strings after another element in the DOM. Call the node after method on the node that you want to insert your content after, and pass in one or more new elements or strings as arguments. In this example, I have a div with an ID of app on it that says good morning. And I'm going to use the document create element method to create a paragraph and give it some hello text with the text content property. And then I'm going to use the document query selector method to get my app element. I'm going to call the after method on the app element and pass in my new paragraph as an argument. And if we jump over to the browser, you can see now that this hello paragraph has been inserted into the DOM after the existing content that was already there. You can also use it to inject multiple elements or to also add strings. So here I'm going to call the node after method on my app element. I'm going to again pass in that new paragraph, but I'm also going to pass in this string, what's poppin'. And if we reload the browser, you can see now that my hello paragraph has showed up after the existing content, as well as the what's poppin' string.
If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.